Good day, ma'am. Good day, classmates. My name is Analon Manginimba, and I given the topic first English versus English, and second one is standard English. English versus English refers to the diverse variations of the English language spoken around the world. While English is considered a single language, it has evolved into numerous distinct dialects and varieties, each with its own unique features in pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and even spelling. Here's a breakdown of the key differences. So here are the differences of English versus English. Of course, the pronunciation. The most obvious difference is in pronunciation. For example, the word tomato is pronounced differently in the US and the UK. So, tomato, it is something differences between the two nations, which is the United Kingdom and the United States. So the pronunciation is our first of the key differences. And second one is vocabulary. Different English have distinct words for the same thing. For example, truck in American, while lorry in British English. So the vocabulary has different between American English and British English. And second one is grammar. There are subtle grammatical differences too. For example, in American English, I have gotten is common, while in British English, I have got is preferred. So there is differences between the American English and British English when it comes to grammar. Spelling, of course, spelling variations are also common. For example, color in American English is color in British English. So the spelling is one of the differences between the the American English and British English. These differences are a result of various factors. So here are the differences, the results, the factors why why there is indeed we are comparing English versus English. Historical development. English has spread across the globe over centuries with different regions evolving their own language versions. Of course, there is changes. There is spreading the language English. That's why the English has different. Oh, it is it is we have a different types of Englishes and how they use the language through the history, through the years, through the decades, rather to the century. The English is has changed something transforming or spreading trans, rather spreading in different nations. Second one is regional influences. Local dialects and language have influenced the development of English in different places. So of course, to regional influences, there is a differences and to dialects. So there is a lot of dialects in every differences in different places. So that's why that is the factors of with comes with what that is the factors why the English has there's differences. And social and cultural factors have also contributed to the emerge of distinct Englishes. Of course, the social and cultural factors, it is one of the example that the factors of differences of English or how they use English. Standard English. Standard English refers to a variety of English that is widely accepted as the norm in formal settings like education, government, and media. It's often considered the correct or proper way to speak and write. So, of course, Standard English is one of the things that we should follow. So here's a breakdown. Based on a specific dialect, Standard English is generally based on the dialect spoken in a particular region, often a major urban center. For example, in the United States, Standard American English is based on the dialect spoken in the Northeast. So, of course, through there is in US there is a lot there through the dialect. Of course, uh, there is a different oh, there is a different when it comes they use on English. Of course, the dialect, formal and prescriptive. Standard English is characterized by its formal, prescriptive nature, following specific rules of grammar, spelling, and pronunciation. So, of course, the Standard English has formal. So, it is the including the rules. There is a rules. So of course the grammar, the spelling, and pronunciation. The standard English not a single variety. It's important to note that standard English is not a single monolithic variety. Different regions have their own versions of standard English with slight variations in vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. So why is standard English is important? Clear communication standard English facilitates clear and effective communication in formal settings, ensuring that everyone understands the message. So why the standard English is important? Of course, to to clear the or to make it easy the language the to understand for those people who could not understand. So that's why the standard English is the one of one of the things that we should follow as to through education, through business, and etc. Education and employment. So in many parts of the world, standard English is essential for academic success and professional advancement. So, I, I talk about the standard English is the it is it is something that we use in our educational purposes. So that's why we we could as students we follow standard English, or we are very sensitive when it comes to to, to when it comes for the grammar and etc. Prestige status. Speaking and writing in standard English can convey a sense of prestige and authority. So of course, through our speaking, through our writing, we we are we are very sensitive, and we are sensitive to use that, or to act behalf of that in order to follow the standard English. Key features of standard English. So the features are formal grammar. So formal grammar standard English is follows specific rules of grammar, including subject verb, agreement, correct tense usage, and proper punctuation. So the formal grammar is one of the features of English, standard English rather. Correct spelling, of course. Correct spelling standard English is uses specific spellings for words, often based on the dictionary. So the correct spelling should be followed when it comes for standard English. And third one is formal pronunciation. So of course the pronunciation is very important. Standard English has a specific pronunciation that is generally considered correct or clear. Remember, while standard English is important for formal settings, it's essential to be aware of the diverse variations of English spoken around the world. Learning other dialects and varieties can enrich our understanding of language and culture. That's all. Thank you.